1964 El Camino 283. I got a new water pump pulley, but the water pump pulley didn't align with the harmonic balancer pulley. And I thought about shimming the harmonic balancer out, but everything I read was too wobbly, break the end of your crank. So then the other suggestion was to drive the bolt flange back onto the water pump, which I did. Well, I did it on a brick first, and it destroyed the brick, and it went too far, so then I had to pound the impeller back this way. And then I had to add a couple little copper washers behind it to get it its almost perfect alignment now. One's thicker than the other one, but the belt's straight. I got to get an alternator bracket, but I might have ruined the new water pump from Rock Auto, but it wasn't that much money. But the pulley just didn't line up, so they didn't press it right at the factory. Then on the headers, I ordered copper header gaskets. They came out of Phoenix someplace. So now I'm getting ready to put, I don't have enough bolts. I'm using socket head because they're so close there to get the sockets in. Or bolt head, you almost have to do it and then put it on. But they have oval port and rectangular, and there's more meat on the rectangular, so same money. I bought the rectangular because the heads are rectangular, but the headers are oval. So I just think there's be more area for it to flow through. That's it. Forgot I had to put the fan on, so I took the bolts out and put studs in. I need one more 5/16 bolt. Water pump's on. Should be okay. It ain't rattling or nothing. I got a ballast resistor for the ignition to step it down from 12 volts. I got the header gaskets on. I thought they were solid copper, but they're copper on the outside with the like graphite stuff in the middle, so they're not as good a deal as I thought, but they'll be okay. It's just to get it running, test it. So I got the headers back on with gaskets. I got to get more bolts for everything. These are just temporary, holding the harmonic balancer on. I need 3/8 bolts. Well, there it is. Getting closer. I need an alternator bracket. The older 283s don't have accessory bolts, so I'm going to have to get some kind of alternator bracket. This might be it down here. I'm going to have to search and see which alternator I can use. I think it's got two on the other side too, but I think that's the alternator bracket. I got a new alternator, I just haven't got the bracket yet.